Kid Next Door.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Kid Next Door, and this time we have Father's Day coming very soon. So we have little Yuvaan again with us who is making a Father's Day card for his dad. So let's make it together. Alright, we need a color paper, or you can take a white paper, whatever you have. This is A4 size sheet. And then you have to fold it into half like that. Okay, once you have folded it nicely, you have to keep it in a way that its open side is towards you and the closed side away from you. Okay, all right, now grab a pencil and you need something which is circle in shape. So we are making a car shaped card for your dad. You can choose the color paper which matches with car for your father. Okay, so Yuvaan has taken a green color paper. Okay, and I have a blue color paper here. Then we have taken a glass cup and we are drawing a circle. We are tracing the circle towards the bottom of our paper where the card opens. Okay, so you have to draw two wheels of the car that you are going to draw, one on left side and one on the right side. Okay, I hope you all can clearly see and follow. You have to hold the glass cup steady so as to make a perfect circle using it. You can use a bangle or any other, or a bottle cap also, to make this circle shape. Okay, if your line becomes wiggly like Yuvaan, you can erase the lines and draw with your hand again to make them neat. Alright, once you have this, then you have to join these two circles with a sleeping line. You have to draw sleeping lines on both the sides of the circle too. Very good. Now we will draw two small circles, one inside each wheel. So you are making eyes of the wheels, right? Yeah. Then above the wheels, you must draw a big sleeping line, and you have to join the ends of the sleeping line to make a semicircle. Then you have to make a bigger semicircle in a way that the top part of the semicircle touches the top of the card. And then you have to draw two sleeping lines going out of the card. Now you cut the semicircle into half by drawing a standing line. Okay, now in the card we are writing M-Y, my, D-A-D, dad. So my dad. Then you can take help of any adult in your house, your parents or your teacher, to cut the shape of the car out. But you have to be very careful if you are using scissors by yourself. So we cut this out, and on the top we have to be very careful that we don't have to cut the top part of the car. So we have to leave some space so that the card can open in this way. Now I am cutting Yuvaan's car also, and you see on the top I left some space and I did not cut it. See, on the top I did not cut, so it can open in this way. Okay, now we will open the card, and inside we will write IS is THE, the, BES T, best. Okay, so this is going to become my dad is the best. All right, so that's your message for your dad and gift. Now Yuvaan, because he drew with pencil, he's tracing all the lines with a black marker so that they come out neat, bright and sparkling. So you can also do in the same way to make your card look more attractive. Then we are using wax crayons to color the card and make it even more amazing. So wheels of the car are black in color. You can pick up a black color and color them from inside. Make sure not to leave any white patches and color them nicely, full. You can see Yuvaan's coloring is also very bright. It's actually brighter than my coloring, isn't it? Yeah. And then you can use any bright colors to add to the card, like I'm using yellow, red, anything, any of your favorite colors or the colors that your dad likes. Okay. So we will wait for Yuvaan to complete his coloring now before we add more decoration to our card. Okay, now we will add some more details to the card. So we'll draw a big sleeping line, okay, like a border of our car. And we will draw some lights at the back and in the front. All right, now you can color them also using any bright colors, and you will have your amazing, bright and attractive car-shaped greeting card ready to gift your father, to surprise him on this Father's Day. See how nice the card looks like, and it's so easy to make. I'm sure your dad would love it, and he'll keep it safe with him forever. All right, so enjoy the Father's Day. Spend time with your dad. Make it a memorable one. And don't forget to subscribe and like us. Bye-bye.